Today, I am inviting you to sail away from anything that may be heavy and difficult. Whatever worries you might have, I hope you are able to leave them on the shore and take this journey to relax your body and calm your mind. Before we begin, please consider letting me know if you enjoy this and other recordings on my channel. I am very grateful for any likes, comments, and subscribes. And now, join me on the boat. No sailing or meditating experience is required. Let us first settle down and relax the body, finding as comfortable position as possible, whether you choose to sit or lie down, wrapping your body in a blanket if necessary, gently closing the eyes to enter the imaginary world of sailing away from all the troubles and worries. Remember to always trust your own judgment in following any instructions, ignoring anything that does not suit you and taking in anything that helps. First, arrive fully in your body and the present moment by taking a few deep breaths. Taking a deep inhale, letting the chest and belly to rise and be fully filled with air. Then exhaling slowly, letting the chest and belly fully deflate. A deep breath in and a slow breath out. Noticing how the breath feels in the body. Is it pleasant, neutral? Where is it easy to detect? At the nostrils, mouth or throat? In the movement of the chest, belly, or entire body? One more deep inhale and a slow exhale. And then let your breath return to its normal pace. Let your body continue to breathe naturally. If observing the process of breathing is pleasant for you, you can let the breath be your anchor for the rest of today's meditation. Just let your attention return to breathing anytime you get distracted. If breathing does not feel pleasant, you can simply notice any other sensations in your body, perhaps sensations in the feet or hands, and then focus on these sensations whenever your mind wanders. I invite you to practice this for a short moment, focusing on the breath or body sensations without trying to control them, just noticing how they feel and getting familiar with returning to the breath or body whenever you get distracted. Imagine now that you are walking towards the marina, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin, as well as the coolness of the wind breeze. The weather is perfect for sailing. As you walk towards the water, you start noticing the smell of the sea. It has a soothing effect on your mind and body. You can even taste the salt on your tongue when you take your next deep breath. As you are looking for the boat with your name on it, you can hear the shouts of seagulls overhead. There are also other sailors on the shore preparing for their trips. You are eager to leave all the hustle behind to escape to the calm waters of the sea. As you keep walking, imagine that you are carrying a heavy backpack full of stones. Each of the stones represents something difficult or painful you would like to let go. This could be a small worry or a problem that has not yet been solved. It could be a difficult emotion or body sensation. Or perhaps it is simply a thought or belief that does not serve you right now. So, as you are taking the next step, you pick one of those heavy stones out of the backpack. Visualize it as something that needs to be left behind, and then you are simply dropping it on the ground and observing how it melts into the soil, leaving no residue behind. Taking another step, you pick the next stone and throw it out on the ground behind you. You take the next step and your backpack is another stone lighter. Just imagining all this heavy weight of problems, worries, difficult thoughts or emotions being dropped on the ground makes you feel calmer and more relaxed. Your backpack is slowly becoming light and empty, ready to be filled with different, lighter sensations, emotions, and thoughts. You finally notice the sailboat with your name painted on its hull. It's waiting for you to board it. Before you do so, you take one last look at all that you're leaving behind. All the stones you dropped on the ground, the problems, worries, difficult emotions and thoughts now appear so much smaller, so much less important now. You feel ready to sail away. You are ready to fill your body, heart and mind with peace, rest and relaxation. After getting on board, you are greeted by a friendly captain. She informs you that you can find a comfortable place to sit or lie down on the bow. You are welcome to rest, while she takes care of the practicalities of steering and sailing your boat. You locate a comfortable mattress and pillows on the boat's bow and take your place. At first, you are just observing the captain, unmooring the boat, and then maneuvering out of the marina. The boat's engine is quiet, but you are waiting for the moment when the sails are set. Once the engine is off and the boat is under sails, you finally lie down and enjoy the ride. As the boat is getting farther away from the shore and all the small and big troubles you left there, you take a deep, relaxing breath into your lungs. The deep breath washes any tension away from your body. For a moment, you are just enjoying taking deep breaths. You can smell and taste the salty sea as you inhale, and soften and relax the body as you exhale. Right now, just breathing is enough. You can relax and rest with your natural breath. The deep inhale and slow, relaxing exhale. After a while, you start noticing the surroundings. The green shore you left is becoming a thin line on the horizon. The cries of seagulls are becoming quieter as well. It looks as if you are now simply being surrounded by the blue colors of the sea and sky. A few white clouds are lazily passing by. Small waves are pleasantly rocking the boat, and you feel that your eyelids are getting heavier and heavier. Taking another deep breath, you are gently closing your eyes, allowing yourself to fully rest now, as the good captain is steering and handling the boat. There is nothing else for you to do right now. As you continue resting with your eyes fully closed, you start noticing other sensations. The warmth of the sun on the exposed skin, the light, cool breeze brushing against your loose clothing, the sensations of touch of the whole body lying down on the warm deck, each part of the body being supported by the boat as it is rocking and sailing away from everything that you left behind. You are relaxing all the muscles of your face, relaxing the forehead and the brow, relaxing all the small muscles around and behind the eyes, unclenching the jaw and letting it drop, moving attention down to the neck and shoulders, releasing any tension in those areas as your arms are becoming heavy, noticing any sensations in upper arms, elbows, lower arms, and each part of your hands, the wrists, the palms, and each finger. Moving attention to the back, releasing any tension between the shoulder blades and down the spine. Just letting all your back muscles relax naturally without forcing this relaxation. Letting the whole upper body to be heavy and fully supported by the surface you're on. Inhaling deeply and relaxing the front of the body, letting the chest and belly fully expand with the breath. A deep breath in and a slow breath out. Noticing sensations and relaxing the muscles of the upper belly and the lower belly. Even imagining all the internal organs softening and relaxing as well. Moving attention down to the hips and then legs. Relaxing all the big and small muscles of the lower body, from the upper legs to the lower legs and feet. Letting the legs be as heavy and relaxed as possible. Noticing sensations in each part of the feet, the heels, the soles, the arches, and then all of the toes as well. Letting the whole body to rest now. Letting it fully relax. Noticing all the sensations as it is naturally breathing. There's no need to control the breathing or any sensations. You are simply resting as the breath and the sensations naturally come and go. They come and go just like the waves rocking the sailboat beneath you, making your body and mind calmer and more relaxed, even making you pleasantly sleepy. You can continue to rest as the boat is sailing farther away from anything that was troubling you. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to go anywhere. You can just enjoy the gentle rocking of the boat as you drift off to sleep. And if you wish to take a brief nap or continue resting, just pause or stop this recording now. Once you are fully rested, you can return to your surroundings after taking a few deep breaths again. Slowly moving your toes and fingers and stretching or moving the body in a way that suits you best. And then gently open the eyes and let the light in. You are most welcome to return and sail with me again whenever you would like to forget your troubles for a moment and simply relax for a bit. I wish you all restful and worry-free days.